Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making deliciously easy mango tacos. Oop, got it all over my face. Y'all, these tacos are totally addictive. They're a combination of sweet mango salsa and earthy black beans with creamy avocado, and they are just perfect for a quick, easy weeknight dinner. The base for these tacos is my super easy mango salsa, so start by adding diced mango to a large bowl. You can use fresh or frozen mango in this recipe. If you do use frozen, just make sure you thaw it out and drain off any liquid before chopping it up and adding it to the dish.
Now add minced red onion, minced garlic and jalapeno, and chopped cilantro.
What makes this recipe really special is that you're not just using lime juice, but you're gonna put the zest in there. The zest gives it this depth of flavor that you are going to absolutely love.
So zest and juice that lime right into the bowl and then add a sprinkle of salt. Mix that all together really well, then set it aside while you drain a can of black beans and slice up an avocado.
Those extra few minutes really give the flavors a chance to meld.
Now mix those black beans into the mango salsa and taste it to see if it needs extra lime juice or salt. Dish up these mango tacos by spooning the mango mixture into corn tortillas and topping it off with sliced avocado. You can also add a drizzle of non-dairy sour cream if you have it, and sprinkle on a little bit of extra fresh cilantro.
I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make these mango tacos. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!